Hey, if you want to download music on your Google Pixel 10 Pro, then first of all, you can do this by using music services like Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube Music. So in the YouTube Music, you can go into that application, pick your sound. There we go. And now you will find the download button just over here. So we can just click on it. And you have to also get the YouTube Music. You have to purchase YouTube Music Premium or just purchase the YouTube Premium, and it will allow you to actually get music on your phone. But also you can do the same for the Spotify. And if you want to purchase, if you want to download music without purchasing YouTube Music or YouTube Premium, you can do this by using SoundCloud. So I'm gonna show you only legal versions, not some kind of illegal things. So on the SoundCloud, you can also download music right here. You can download the application from the Google Play Store, and you can actually download most of the music that is available right here, just completely for free. You can also download music from your PC. Download to your PC and then transfer files into your phone. But I'm gonna record a second video and show you actually step by step how to transfer files between phone and PC.